Yithavardhan. I'm from SAP Basis October 7th batch 1, and today topics are tell me about your project, challenging project, and how you deal with it and your role in it. Yeah, my challenging project was my final year project, and they sent a project about an IoT. It was new to me, and I was tensioned and how to do it. I taught it to 1 day and 2 days, and they sent a batch of 4 members to me, and I talked it to my batchmates, and my batchmates said we can do it, no problem, we can do it, no problem. Then we choose it some topics, and we mentioned one best project in it. It was a smart home appliance control system for physical disabled persons or elder persons, and we choose it, and we said to the guide said it's okay, it's better. And we asked it some IoT project mainly depends on easy members, and I asked my easy friends to give some suggestions and to guide, and to main HOD, and we taken so much suggestions from them, and we started on board work, and we stopped board work sometime, and we started working on coding department. We started trying with embedded C, but it was tougher than somewhat tougher, and we use it to help more guide give some sentences to us, but it is not working. 1 week we struggled more and more. Then we taken some rest to cool, and we want to start afresh. And we started freshly, and then we taken so much solutions from other reports and other projects and other things. We taken so much things, and done we done the coding part with the help of the guide. And with the coding part we got a successful output, and then we started the boarding work continues. In the boarding work, we ordered some parts like Adreno C, Node MCU, 4 channel relay, and main thing is motherboard. In motherboard, we want to initialize the code, and we initialize the code. And in the motherboard, we initialize the motherboard in the board, and we initialize the 4 channel relay, and remaining parts all we assigned. And we after that we initialize it, and kept in the we attach it to the website, and we are going to search which website is better to control that motherboard. We search it. At last we got UBI dots, and in it we taken a membership, and we accessed the board. After some time it didn't work on it, because I don't know which error gone went, and we tensioned 1 day. After 1 day we got some ideas, and we removed all these spare parts, and we fixed it again in a right manner with the help of some YouTube videos and vlog videos, and some matter which is available in the Google. And after that we connected it, and it was connected. After that we bought some bulbs. After that we connected some Wi-Fi to it, and we use it to connect to the room plex, and it's worked well. And it is my challenging role of the project to me, and my role was in his team lead. The second topic, when I explain one concept of any technical topic you are aware of. There are any different type of technical subjects like Java, C++, Python, and C hash, C, and in this all technical subjects, we most difficult subject is C. In C, so many topics are there and difficulties, but pointers are so difficult. In pointers there will be a logics, more logics, and we cannot explain them easily, and we will confuse in the pointers. In Java there will be not no pointers, because JVM will consist of the pointers. In Python there will be another type of pointers that is not so much tough than C. In C, pointers are very tough, because in the logics we will confuse more and more. In the in the in the logic we can miss one thing also, we cannot rectify it immediately, because we want to calify when we want to see again all overall coding, and we want to show all the coding to them, and we want to take it pointers which we have to show them, and we want to understand more, we should use more brain to that topic. So that is my aware of the technical topic in C. Our topic was, if you wish to write a book to others to read, what is the topic to and why? I will write a book on Mahendra Singh Dhoni, and the topic was Rise of Dhoni. Because he was born in Ranchi on 7th July 1981, and he played for Bihar and Jharkhand, and he came to Team India on 2004 to 2019. It is his era. He started his era on 2004 and ended his era on 2019. And recent he himself Team India announced him as a mentor, and his life is very very crucial to him because he studied his intermediate and he gone for practices and he played so many matches while studying intermediate only. That is the toughest phase of him, and he met his friend Yuvraj Singh there only. And after this toughest phase, he worked as a ticket collector. After the ticket collector, he came into the cricket with the help of Saurav Ganguly around 2004, and he played for Team India. After the Team India, he had bad phase. He didn't play so many matches well, and when his life was turned to his girlfriend Sakshi Dhoni, and he improved a lot to it, and he given so many inspiration to his fans and to so many people where his coolness is very very maintaining, and how to take a easy wickets and how to control the losing match to winning side. And this is all very very inspiration to us, because we want to think where we are losing, where we can win. Because if we losing, no, we want to take many points from them and we should win next time. And this is the main point we are inspiration taken by Dhoni. Our inspiration is still on yeah, when he became a captain, Team India became like powerful team than ever in the world. Because when Dhoni became captain, the Team India is different than other teams. Because old Team India is not there, because new generation came, new youngsters came, and new team came, and they have a powerful ideas, and they won the so many trophies from there. And when Dhoni became the captain, the total Team India changes around team. Because so many changes is there, so many good changes came, so many over to over is there, winning matches they are winning, and so many tough phases there. And when they came for 2011 World Cup, when the Dhoni did the World Cup presence is very very good, and that is the most biggest inspiration to us, because the way he finishes that six and way he played for final, and that is good inspiration to us. That is our second World Cup, and which is struggled more than more, and he makes us proud. And the next, so many contracts came in the middle, and he continued with Chennai Super Kings. He continued along, because no other than team after only Chennai Super Kings entered into the playoff in this era, and it won. Now they won the 4 IPL trophies. In so many times Dhoni said that when we lose we will come back stronger, and he will never let down with us word. Because when they will lose the match, they will become stronger for the next match. Why they will not know? Because they will try more hard to the match, and we can continue.